Hey guys, so I'm making this video today because recently I got hacked on Steam and I couldn't figure out how to recover it. It's impossible to find the Steam support, no videos out there on how to do it, but luckily I got y'all. So the scam is that Discord and Steam are working together to get you 3 months of Discord Nitro if you log in with your Steam account. And that's obviously a scam. You would get a Discord message, someone offering it to you. As you can see, if you press on this website, you get warned by Chrome that this is a dangerous website. So, as you can see, I went to my email, and it says that someone logged into my account, and it's coming from a Russian IP. It's obviously a bot. No one is actually doing this. It automatically, when you log in, the bot changes your password, changes, I don't know, your email, and you can't figure out how to go to Steam support because they just made it impossible to find them. But as you can see right here, they changed the email. If you press on this link that they sent to your email, as you can see, you want to press recover my account on the bottom, press I'm unsecured, press on I no longer have access to this phone number. As you can see, it says email and account verification code, that's my email. And that doesn't work. So inspect this resend account verification code, you right click on it, press inspect, you find these numbers, press edit as HTML, go to all these numbers, erase those numbers right there, specifically right there. And for some reason it worked for me when I put in my actual email. As you can see, once I do that, you press resend and Steam gives you this warning. And when you get this warning, that's good because that means you could press contact Steam support. This is quite literally the only way you could contact them. You press contact and you go through this form right here. You put in your email, just do everything it tells you to, and less than a few hours later, they should send you an email, and for 95% of people, you actually get your account back. If you're that 5%, I'm very sorry. You might have put in something wrong, so you might want to retry these steps, and hopefully it works next time. So as you can see, it's making me do all my credit card history, all that, to prove that it's really me. And once you do all of that, you go all the way down, press submit, and then you should receive an email less than a few hours later. But that's basically all to this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments. I really hope all of you get your account back because this was a struggle figuring out how to do it, and many people don't know how to get to the contact Steam support. But thank you for watching.